Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to place and resize images in Weebly. This is a fundamental skill for building any website, as images help make your pages more visually appealing and engaging for your visitors. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in using your Weebly account credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can see all your website options. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a menu with several options. Look for the one that says Website and click on it. This section houses all your website projects and editing tools. Under the website option, you'll see Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This will bring up a list of all the websites you've created with Weebly. Choose the specific website you want to work on and edit. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click this button to enter the editor interface. Now you're inside the editor page of your website, which is where all the magic happens. At the top of the screen, you'll see a menu bar with different tabs. Make sure you're on the Build tab, as this is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your site, including images, text boxes, and other design components. Turn your attention to the left side panel where you'll find various elements you can add to your pages. Scroll through until you find the image element. This is the tool that will allow you to add pictures to your website. To place an image, simply click on the image element and drag it onto your website wherever you'd like it to appear. It's an intuitive drag and drop system that makes positioning easy. Once you've dragged the image element onto your page, click on it. A menu will appear with several options. Look for the option that says Upload a photo from your computer and click it. This will open a file browser on your device. Navigate through your folders and select the image file you want to upload to your website. After selecting it, the image will upload and appear on your page. Now comes the resizing part, which is incredibly straightforward. Click on the image you just uploaded and you'll notice blue boxes appear at each corner of the picture. These blue boxes are your resize handles. Put your cursor over one of these corner boxes, click and hold, then drag your cursor inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. The image will resize proportionally, maintaining its aspect ratio so it doesn't look stretched or distorted. And that's it. You've successfully placed and resized an image in Weebly, giving your website a more polished and professional look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.